In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Keltner Channels Strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This can be any symbol or time frame you prefer. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, we'll start adding the strategy. Look toward the top of the chart for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and sits near the time frame and layout controls. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window or panel that contains all the tools you can add to your chart, including built-in indicators, community scripts, and strategies. Inside this indicators window, you'll see several tabs. You might notice things like favorites, built-ins, and community scripts. What we want here is the section specifically for strategies. So look for the tab or category labeled strategies and click on it. This filters the list so you only see strategies, which are tools that not only plot signals on your chart, but can also simulate trades and backtest performance. Once you're inside the strategies section, you'll see a list of available options provided by TradingView. Scroll through this list and look for Keltner Channels Strategy. The strategies may be in alphabetical order, so you can move down the list until you find it. If you're having trouble locating it, you can type Keltner in the search bar at the top of the indicators window to quickly narrow it down. When you see Keltner Channels Strategy in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply the strategy to your chart. You should notice the Keltner channels appear as bands around price, along with buy and sell markers or trade entries that represent how the strategy would have performed historically. From here, you can customize the settings by hovering over the strategy's name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. This is where you can adjust inputs like length, multiplier, or other parameters to better fit your trading style or the specific market you're analyzing. Take a moment to experiment with different settings and see how they change the signals and overall performance. If you're new to TradingView Pro, remember, you can use the link in my description to sign up and unlock all the features needed to use strategies like this effectively.